In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off motion calibration and distance in system services on iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now and we're going to do this through settings by heading into screen time, then into location services, and finally into system services where that motion calibration and distance toggle is. First, I'm going to open the settings app, the grey gear icon. If it's not on the page you're on, just swipe left or right until you spot it. Once you see settings, go ahead and tap it to open. Okay, now settings is open and you'll see a long list of options. What we need is screen time, so at this point I'm going to scroll down the list. I'm scrolling slowly and watching the labels as they move up the screen until I see screen time. Alright, I see it now, so I'm tapping on screen time. Now we're on the screen time page. The next thing we need is content and privacy restrictions, so I'm going to scroll down a bit on this page until I find content and privacy restrictions. Once you see it, go ahead and tap it. Okay, tapping it now. Alright, now we're inside content and privacy restrictions. In here we're going to tap location services under the privacy section. So I'm looking for location services, and once I see it, I'm tapping it. Now we're on the location services screen. This is where iPhone controls location access for apps and system features. The next step is to scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on System Services. So at this point I'm scrolling down through the list until I reach the bottom, and once I see System Services, I'm tapping it. Alright, now we're on the System Services screen. This page has a bunch of system level location options, each with its own toggle. What we're looking for here is motion, calibration, and distance. So I'm scanning down this list until I find motion, calibration, and distance, and once you see it, there'll be a toggle switch right next to it. Now you can turn it on or off depending on what you want. If you want motion calibration and distance enabled, tap the toggle so it turns on and looks active. If you want it disabled, tap the toggle so it turns off and looks inactive. I'm tapping it now to set it to the option I prefer, and you'll see it change immediately. There's no save button here, so as soon as you flip the motion calibration and distance switch on or off, the change applies right away. At this point you can tap back or exit settings whenever you're ready, and that system services setting will stay the way you set it.